Hello everyone, the MMU3 release for Core 1 is imminent, so I want to show you what we got. So this is the bare bones version. For example, when you already have MMU3 and you are upgrading Mark 4S to Core 1, this is the simplest solution with just few parts. The MMU3 still keeps the buffer with its advantages and disadvantages, maybe, but what I love about our system the most is the ability to use any spool you can imagine in our spool holder, in your dry boxes, or even spools like this, the arch nemesis of other systems. Bare bones version, and then we have a little bit fancier version where you have a dust cover and everything is closed, but still the buffer remains here. And we have a little extra version. This is one of our development versions, and ultimately we decided not to go with this one for our next gen solution. We are working on true next gen solution, but this is very good. The buffer is integrated into the spool base. And we are going to release this one on printables as a community version. You can improve or you can print it by yourself, but just be there. It is up to 5 spools of filament and a couple of days of printing, but we collectively love it here. And as I touched on the next gen system, we are working on really through reimagination of the concept from the ground up. It is very exciting, but also a little heads up, the upgradability will be broken from the MMU3 to the next gen solution. Thank you.
Oh, and Joe, rate this Core 1 mod.
This is definitely a 15 out of 10 gummy bears.